We are looking at this problem in physics. An observer sitting in line of two tanks watches the flashes of two tanks firing at each other at the same time. But he hears the sounds of the two shots 2 seconds and 3.5 seconds after seeing the flashes. If the distance between the two tanks is 510 meters, find the speed of sound. In order to understand this, we will first draw the diagram. Let us call this as A and B as the two tanks which are firing at each other. And there is an observer here who is in line with these two. Now these are shooting at each other and the observer sees at the same time the flashes of two shots. Why does he see them instantly? Because of the high speed of light. How much is the speed of light? 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Okay. Now the distance between the two tanks is 510 meters. Okay. So let us say that the distance of the nearer tank, this was D1, and the distance of the tank which is further away from him, let us say that is D2. So we have D2 minus D1. This is 510 meters. Now we already know that velocity is distance upon time. Therefore, distance will become v into t. So we keep this as our thinking step and substitute the value of d2 using v into t. So d2 becomes v into t2 minus d1 becomes v into t1, and that is 510. V is common, so T2 minus T1 comes out to be 510, and so V will be equal to 510 divided by T2 minus T1, which is 510 upon T2 is 3.5 seconds and T1 is 2 seconds. You can see those values here. Shall we continue with that? So V therefore will be equal to 510 meter upon 1.5 second. So 510 into 10 upon 15, and velocity will be meter per second. Let us say 5 3s 15, 5 1s 5, 5 zeros, 5 2s 10 and 0, 3 1s and 3 3s 9, remain 1, 3 4s 10, 3 4s 12, sorry, and that is 340. So this will give us 340 meter per second. That is the velocity of sound. Hope you have understood the thinking behind this and the confusion that you probably had in your mind is gone. So hope you have understood it thoroughly. Bye for now, and if you have more doubts, you can put them in the comments.